In this lecture, we will see how we can model the doors. So for modeling the door, first of all, you need to select it. And after that, you have to select the door, whatever you want to model the door as per your project requirement. So first of all, I will click on this entrance door. And after that, I will simply click here. So I will simply enter Ctrl T if I need to make some changes in the door. Here you can see that right now the door is selected as hinge door 24. Okay, that is fine. And here we have these things available. And after that, let's say I right now you can see the width is 700. That is fine. After that, I will just simply click on OK. So what I will do here is that if I want to model, you can see the sunlight is changing as I'm taking my mouse cursor to this side. So this shows that the sun is ambient light is outside and it is getting from the outside to inside. So you need to be very careful with this. Okay, and after that, if you look here at the anchor point, you can see the anchor point is selected as the center. So what I will do is I will change this to left side. And now if you look at the anchor point, it is going to this side. You select this one and take your mouse cursor. Now it is going to this side. So I will stick with this one that is on the left side. And after that, I will just simply click here. And after clicking on that one, you will see that the sun is outside. It means that sun is here. Now it will ask you, now ArchiCAD will ask you that in which direction the door is going to open. So as you can see here that I'm just sliding my mouse and you can see it is giving me these 4 options here. Okay, so what I will do is I will just simply go and select here. So we have successfully modeled our door in this region here as well. So you can look at that door in 3D as well. So you can see that this is the door that we have modeled. You can see that. Okay, so in this way also you can model the door in the 2D view as well, 3D view as well. But right now I will stick to this ground floor. So now let's say you want to add a door here. You can just simply need to go ahead and simply do a click here. So let's place the door here. Okay, now let's simply click on this edge here, just like that. Let's zoom in a little bit and simply click here. Okay, so now you can see that we have successfully created the door, and now you have to choose the opening. So I will choose this side. So as you can see here that we have successfully modeled the door on this side and on this side. Now let's go ahead and model the door in this region here. Okay, so for that what I will do is I will go here in this door drop down button. I'm going to choose this double entrance door. Let's click on that. And after that, what you have to do is after double clicking on that one, you just simply need to take your mouse cursor just like that. Make sure that everything is correct, but let's choose this side and snap to here. Okay, so here you have to decide in which direction it is gonna open. So I will simply go and click here. So as you can see here that we have successfully modeled the double door here as well. So you can look that one in 3D view as well. So let's go to this side here, shift and middle mouse scroll to rotate this. You can see that we have modeled this side. So in this way you have to model the doors here. As you can see here that we have created a door. So this is the end of this part. Okay,